impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 18 and 24. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 5 and 11. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Burnville, Strausstown, Fairview Heights, Spring Ridge, Shillington, West Reading, Mount Penn, Moulton, Kenhorst, St. Lawrence, Wyomissing Hills, West Lawn, Loran, Reefen, Whitfield, and West Wyomissing. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction. Here is the